Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One S 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this ALCATEL. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, select System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Over here go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you want to apply as your keyboard background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, choose Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done, and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. When you're done, click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!